I want to say thank you to everybody that came. I really appreciate it. It's a good turnout.
Years out of 28 were all record years, and we had a record year last year. Just say the product is perfect, the people that sell it are awesome, the network we have all the way through agents to distributors to great customers. They appreciate the quality that the Swiss tools bring. We're very focused on a small market, but I think that's the way you have to survive in today's conglomerate. Everybody wants to get bigger. No, that's not what we're doing.
We hope that we can continue our growth together with our teams in Switzerland and the USA and become a part of a prosperous future. I look forward to a good cooperation with all of you because all of you are important, and wish you all the best and a nice and exciting day. Thank you very much.
Cheers, and thank you, Mr. Heule, and thank you, everybody, for being part of our success.
Yes.